Hello, this is my review of the Squire Snap Lock 210. It's a combination lock and I'd like to show you something. Now this barrel, when the combination shown along here is correct, slides along and then it opens. I'll show you that in a moment. And what I'm going to do is decode it. So what I need to do is put slight pressure on here, and then these are quite difficult to turn because of the pressure. I'd like you to just watch. And listen. Did you hear the little click there? So I've decoded it and I know that that is an 8. Let's do the same for the next one. Slight pressure. It's quite difficult to turn. Now listen carefully and notice. There, did you hear it? That is now decoded. So I've got 8 8s. Let's go to the next wheel. Again, slight pressure. Feeling. There it is. So we're decoding this lock without knowing the combination. I've got 2 turning at once there, so I'm putting too much pressure on. There we are, got just the right amount of pressure. There, it just dropped in. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can feel it. There. And I've decoded this lock. Then the barrel, as I said, slides and you can open it. So there you have it. One completely and utterly useless combination lock that costs somewhere between £60 and £80. Please do not buy this lock.